Hello guys, you might all have played this game while your internet is down. So let's add some ray tracing to it and make it look like this. So this is not going to be a tutorial, but it's just an overview of how I made it. So first I created a project in Unity's HDRP and removed the example assets from the scene. Then I modified the volume and fog settings to make the environment look more like a desert. After that, I needed a ground on which our Dino can run. So I searched and found a really cool looking ground texture on 3dtexture.me. I imported the textures and then I created a material and assigned all the necessary maps to it and adjusted a few more settings in the material. Perfect. Now I applied this material on the plane and you can see how majestic it is looking already. You can see the actual deformations occurring due to the tessellation. Then I duplicated the plane several times and added it under a single object called ground. After that, through a quick search, I found this desert environment pack, and after importing it, as you can see, it is already looking well.
Nice.
Then I added a terrain under the ground object to make the dunes on the left and the right side. Now I am writing a script to randomly place objects on the plane. After some adjustments, I was able to generate rocks on the sides and cactuses in the middle. Okay, so we want to generate these ground tiles infinitely as our dino runs on them. To keep things optimized, I will bring the tiles from the behind to the front and apply the randomness instead of instantiating them every time. So let's quickly write a script for that. Now that our script is ready, let's test it using a sphere as a player. You can see ground generating in the front as we move the sphere. We now will replace the sphere with the dinosaur model, which I bought from the asset store a long time ago. It was using the standard material which is incompatible with HDRP, so I upgraded them to HDRP materials. Let's place our dino into the scene and it is looking good. Let's adjust the smoothness a little bit and perfect. The package that I bought had all the required animations in it, so let's make a controller for our player. We have a running, jumping and death animation state, which is all what we need. After that, I imported Cinemachine to make a third-person camera for our dino. Then I created a script that will make our dino actually run and jump, and I added a few more things like sound effects, particles and score, which I'm not going to show here. So our game looks pretty nice so far. To add ray tracing, I launched the HDRP wizard and switched to HDRP plus DXR tab. After fixing all things and an editor restart, my project is now ray tracing enabled. I added ray tracing components to my scene such as global illumination and recursive rendering, but most of the ray tracing features were disabled because my card doesn't support it. But I was already very satisfied with the render quality. So here are the end results. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and let me know down in the comments if you want me to make more elaborate tutorials on Unity. Thanks and I will see you very soon.